morning, I'm Dita Oktaviana Anggraini from BBC Indonesia. Mount Agung spit lava and rocks over about 3 kilometer distance, officials said. Some villages experienced osfall, but there were no reports of any injuries. Indonesia's disaster agency said the eruption lasted several minutes. More than 1,000 people were killed when Mount Agung erupted in 1963. The volcano resumed activity back in 2017, sparking fears of another major disaster. Authorities increased the risk level and evacuated thousands of residents, but the level has since been lowered. Tourists and locals are still told to avoid the immediate area around Mount Agung because there has been intermittent volcanic activity. International flights resumed on Saturday, but passengers on social media flights were cancelled, reported ongoing difficulties. Okay, this is from BBC Indonesia. Thank you for watching.